In life, we have a formula to use that helps us to create goals that assist us in improving our personal life. To start these goals, however, we must use our inner qualities. The inner qualities include skills, ability to commit, ability to set priorities, ability to accept failure, will to say no, and so on. We have self-awareness, personality and other details within as well that helps us to find ways to improve our personal life. Once you find your qualities, develop them, you'll find it easy to set goals. To get started, consider brainstorming long-term goals, short-term goals, evaluation of these goals, brainstorming some more, evaluating, and so on. You want to consider managing your time as well. Be sure to start your plans with short-term goals. The short-term goals should lead up to your long-term goals. Short-term goals should include what you want to accomplish in the next few years. Do you plan to open a business? Do you plan to move? Do you plan to start a new job? Each question will lead you into a good direction as you find answers. For example, I plan to open a business in the next few years. How do you plan to open that business? What business are you considering? How will you get the money to start your business? You have many options, so check your resources, learn new resources and continue building your dreams to improve your personal life. After you lay out the plans for your short-term dreams, start working toward your long-term goals. For instance, in the next 10 years, what do you see yourself doing? Use your visions and voices inside to cultivate a plan. Brainstorm your ideas. To set up long-term plans, keep them realistic. Be sure that your long-term falls in accord with your short-term goals. For example, if you plan to start a business in the next few years, build upon this dream and plan to become productive and established in the near future. Start saving money to back your plans. You will need to set up a budget that allows you money to save. You have many options, so spread your wings and reach for the sky.